Hello guys, today we're gonna play Iron Bean on Roblox. Of course, I'm playing with my friend Richvan. He really likes to eat beans. Today guys,
Get your
I'm
beans.
the pilot.
Now get your beans ready and let's do this.
Wow, dinosaur with me in a submarine. Forward.
Wow, this is a bean.
Ano to? Not a video, not. Excuse me.
If you guys are wondering why he said that a dinosaur
Stand by, crew.
is
Oh, right. We're supposed to read this. Please keep your hands and feet inside the submersible at all times.
What if I don't?
Has some electrical fires, leaks. No, not that.
We bad
What to do
boys.
while being attacked by a large alien sea creature?
What to do?
You know what? I trust you can learn on the job.
We do not know what is this.
Canning the porthole window.
Where are we going?
No. We want
You
freedom.
seem to be experiencing major fractures in the hull.
Why?
You'll be fine, I'm sure.
Why?
Approaching maximum depth.
Oh
How
no!
We're starting to lose your signal. Remember, take lots of
It's
pretty
not
photos
broken,
and have
but we
fun.
still need to fix it.
Cool
But
beans.
if may see creatures, I think you will have to take a picture of it so it will go away. You control there, I control this.
Descent complete. Switch
Where?
to manual control.
Diyan behind you.
We like forward. Okay.
Wag ka
Me,
pindot na
go
pindot!
forward.
Wag ka pindot na pindot!
Take potato. Wow. Look. Look. There's potato. Potato.
Sino ba forward na forward?
Oopsie, I made a mistake.
Asa ka?
We died.
Huwag na kasi forward na forward.
Can't even spectate.
Sabi ko sa'yo ka na pagdadrive eh.
We like driving. Let Prido. Pepen, Rido.
You newbie.
Bilis, Rido tayo.
Alright guys, we'll be back with you in a second. We're just gonna redo because my friend sucks. Okay guys, we're just gonna redo it because my friend died and he sucks. This game really hard.
I wonder what's outside.
Not tabi dyan, hindi ko mapintis na right and left.
Ano? crap. Oo nga. Akin. Why you die?
This game really hard. Let me dead.
Just pressing random button. Wow. Feel like dying.
Well, that was a failed attempt. Guys, we gotta wrap this up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye,
We
everybody.
don't have time to do this right now because we